In this video, I'll show you how to convert Bitcoin to USDT in Bybit. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. First thing you're going to do is open up and log into your Bybit account. If you don't already have a Bybit account, I'll leave you a link down below in the description that will get you up to 30,000 in trading and welcome bonuses. Once you've logged into your account, I'm going to show you two different ways to do this. First way is by going right down here to the bottom right hand corner and tapping on this assets icon or wallet icon. And from here, you're going to see a couple different options, which is deposit, withdraw, transfer, and convert. You're going to tap on convert. Alternatively, you can get to the same page from the home screen by going right down here to the bottom of the screen and tapping on this trade icon. And from here, you're going to select the first option on the top left-hand corner, which is convert. And once you're on the convert page, you're going to go right over here to the from section, and you're going to make sure you have Bitcoin or BTC selected. You can do that by tapping on this arrow, selecting Bitcoin out of the list. And right here under 2, you're going to tap on the arrow next to whatever currency is showing for you and select USDT out of this list. And right here where it says funding account, make sure you select the right account where your funds are located. I'm going to keep it at funding account. There's also the unified trading account. After you've done that, enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to convert to USDT. Next, you're going to tap on this quote button at the bottom of the screen. Confirm the transaction, and that's how to convert Bitcoin to USDT on Bybit. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.